In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Calendly. Welcome to this step-by-step guide where we will seamlessly connect your Gmail account to your Calendly, enhancing your scheduling and email capabilities. Let's dive right in and make this integration process as smooth as possible. Start by navigating to your Calendly dashboard. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find a variety of navigational icons. Among these, you're looking for the Integrations and Apps section. This is conveniently represented by an icon depicting 4 smaller icons. Once you spot it, go ahead and click on it. With the Integrations tab now open, you'll see a search bar at your disposal. In this search bar, type in Gmail. This will filter the available integrations, allowing you to quickly locate the Gmail integration option amidst a vast choice of apps and tools. Once Gmail appears as an option, select it to proceed to the next step. At this point, you will be prompted to connect your Gmail account to Calendly. This process is straightforward and aligns with the standard procedures you've likely encountered before whenever linking accounts across platforms. Start by clicking Connect Gmail. Upon doing this, you might notice familiar authorization screens. These are put in place to ensure your account is securely connected and that you understand and approve the permissions being requested. Follow the prompts, ensuring you read through the permissions and authorize the connection. And just like that, after you've given the necessary permissions, your Gmail account is now integrated with Calendly. Not only will this streamline email scheduling, but it also improves your ability to manage appointments efficiently within your email workflow. With everything connected, you are now ready to enjoy the seamless integration benefits. You can now send invitations directly from your Gmail and automatically incorporate them into your calendar, saving time and augmenting productivity. And there you have it. By following these simple yet comprehensive steps, you've successfully integrated your Gmail with Calendly, blending 2 essential tools into one unified experience. Whether you're scheduling meetings, coordinating with clients, or simply keeping track of personal appointments, this integration will surely enhance how you manage your time and communications. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of Calendly and other useful applications. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Have a great day and enjoy your new, more integrated digital life.